Hey guys, welcome back, and in this video we will see how you can add to favorites or just favorites category in your project or something like that. So we will see how you can implement it. So let's get started. First of all, let's see how the things are working here. So we have two users. Let's go in our sign up table, because obviously if he has to add it in its favorite, a person must have an account or something like that, so we can keep track of it. So here we have a Q user and a W user, and here is their passwords. And now we can see in our favorites table, the the person Q has two things in its favorites: wallet and a shirt, and a shirt and a clock on the person W. So here we can see we have our favorites, and obviously if we remove them it will get removed, and if we want to use this design will be used, and we can add it to cart. The positioning of this button is obviously a bit weird. We can add it here, so we will do that later. So now if we go back to login and log in with our W person, because obviously this person was Q, and here if we wgmail 123 and log in, here we can see here, if you click on the favorites, I can see that here are two things, cloak and a shirt, and obviously if I refresh it, one of the things the person Q has will be deleted, because obviously we pushed it to remove. And the person W has cloak and a shirt, and obviously if you want to remove the shirt will be removed. And uh, yes, the shirt is removed, and obviously if you want to use the design, this design will be used. So this is pretty much it, and let's see how we implemented this whole thing. So first of all, let's see. Yes, obviously we made a model migration. I make some migration, migrated them, made a model with user email, product ID, name, picture, and price. Now if we go to our controller, we can see we have two functions, mainly two functions. We have three. One is just to show favorites, which is just nothing crazy, we get the data from the favorites. The other one is to remove from the favorites, another one is to store in the favorites. So here you can see, obviously we are getting data from the form. The form is here in the banners form one, banner form 1, and if we go down here, we have a cart, an add to cart form. If we open it, we will get the add to cart, and beneath it, everything hidden, we have the add to favorites, because we do not want to because of the two buttons cannot be used in a single form, so we made another form, and in that form we make everything hidden and made its route to home road favorite. So whenever it goes to the controller, controller, where is our controller? Favorites controller, we will see that it has stored all the things. So store the ID, total price, and each and everything. And the other thing I would like to mention here is, if we go to the cups and use design and add to favorite, if I press it one, two, three many times, the product will only be added once. So here if I go back, and here we can see it has only one favorite products. So we have an image URL. The thing here is we are getting not the image as an input but as a URL. So that's why we are getting it as an URL and we are adding it to our products, and then we are storing it to our favorites product picture, and that's it. Now we are going to show the data. So to show the data, we are going to have another page that is going to be by the name of fave.plate, and no, we do not want to do this. Let's go here. So we have three things: one to delete, one to show, and one to post. So these are our favorites route, these three function with these name, and like this whole thing. And now if we go to the favorite dot blade, then you can see here we have, if there is no favorites, then obviously it is going to display zero favorites. Let's remove it and see. No favorites found. Okay. And if we go up here, obviously it will set the user data. This is session. Okay, so this is our favorites, and here we can see the product is shown in the cart. The product ID is hidden, product ID, and favorite price and each and everything. So whenever we want to use a product design, it will call the route banners form, and if you want to remove, it will pass that ID to the route remove, and we will see remove. Let's see, we are going to have remove here. Yes, and here we can see the remove. It will get the ID, and if that thing is not there, then obviously it is going to throw an error, and if it is there, then we are going to delete it from the favorites. So that's it.